How's everyone doing? I hope all of you are doing great and safe during this quarantine. Okay, today I decided to make one Thai food that has American name, but you can never find it in America. I think some of you should know already which food I'm talking about. Yes, it is American fried rice. In Thai, we call it Khao Phat American. Khao Phat. Remember, it means fried rice. Khao Phat American. For you to make this food, you will need many ingredients, but believe me, it's super easy to make and it tastes so good as well. Okay, I don't want you to wait any longer. Are you ready? Let's do it.